So this is the combo: natural plants, natural extra, natural juice, natural tea that keeps your birds always healthy. We are going to formulate this particular one right away. You can see what I have here is Aidan fruit. 1, 2, Aidan fruit. The next one here is turmeric powder. I will give you all the medicinal value of all this. This is turmeric powder. You can see it. Turmeric powder, Aidan fruit, turmeric powder. You see here is garlic. This is about 20 pieces of garlic. This is garlic. Here you have ginger. This is ginger here, you can see it. I will show you how to apply it, how to process it, and the dosage. This is garlic. You can see this is 2 seeds of garlic. Garlic and ginger is too expensive right away. 1 kilo of garlic is about 25,000. Now 1 kilo of this is about 15,000. They're very costly. I don't know whether it's because many farmers are going organic. You can see this is garlic. This is ginger. This is clove. You can see clove. This is clove. Are you seeing it? This is African black pepper. This is African black pepper. You can see how many of it. African black pepper. It is called Ozeza, Urozeza in Igbo land. Urozeza. African black pepper. Urozeza. This is Negro pepper. Negro pepper. You can see it. Negro pepper. How many are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, garlic, ginger 5, clove 6, 7, lime. You need at least 2 seeds of lime. 8. You need almond. 9. Now let me go straight to processing this. How we're going to process it. The first thing you do is to grind this and this, grind them, including this, or if you use mortar, better for you. Grind this. After grinding them together, this one you don't need to grind this one, you need to put this into the pot directly. After grinding them, you need to add enough water, because this is a volume. We are preparing for voluminous, large quantity. See it? Now, are you seeing it? You pound this. Pound it. This is already on the dry type. This is a dry type. You don't need to. This one will be added to the pot directly. This one need to be pounded. Ginger and garlic need to be pounded. These ones you can grind. This one, if you have grinding machine, grind these ones. Let's go there and prepare them. When I come out for the preparation, as it's boiling on the pot, I'll come back and give you the nutritional value of all these, their medicinal properties that help broilers. This is organic, complete natural immune booster. This is complete organic vaccination for poultry and livestock animals. Complete. 100%. You can see I've already grind this. All this is going to the pot now, but we are going to prepare these ones. We are going to pound this and grind all these ones, then put them in the pot and continue from there. I come back and give you their medicinal properties, each of them. Remember how many they are? Almost 10 of them. 10 organic, super organic vaccine for your poultry and livestock animals. I'm going to tell you how they are going to process them and their nutritional properties, their medicinal properties of each of them. Let's go there and start preparing them. Then I will also give you the dosage, how you're going to administer it to your poultry birds and to get the best and amazing results. Let's get there. After this, when we get there, we're on the camera. can see all the organic ingredients have been added to the pot, and about 5 liters of water is already added. You can see them here. See, all of them are here. You can see them. This one I need to remove it from the rubber. Remove this one from the rubber here, because the almond is here. You can see them all. See them. Now we need to add you can see this. This is lemon leaf. You can see the combo here. Now is the turmeric. It's added. Turmeric is added now, right away. You have lime here, you have lemon leaf, you have almond, you have Aidan fruit. Now we need to boil this. You have garlic, you have ginger, all of them are here. I'm going out there to give you their history now and their medicinal properties, why they can boost your broiler. You can see them here. You need to boil this right away. To boil them right away. No. Just cover it and see them rushing it now. You can see them rushing the organic vaccination. They are rushing it right away. Remember that after preparing this organic vaccine, it was not given on that first day. It was left to ferment for some days. It was not given on that first day. These bears are just 1 week. 1 week.
the quantity. See the quantity. Please make sure you don't give them too much. Add water that they can finish at least under 1 to 2 hours. This is organic. It doesn't have any side effects, please. And make sure you allow them to be tasty for some time. These birds are purely on organic. This medication is not only meant for chicken alone. This organic vaccine is not only meant for chicken. You can give it to other, even domestic animals, even cat, dog, and other poultry birds, including layers also. It boosts the immunity and at the same time prevent them from having any infection. You can see that they are rushing it. You can see the size of these birds because they are organic medication. You can see how they are growing. This is 1 week birds. These are purely male lines. For organic vaccination, you don't even need to remove their food. Just serve them food without water for some time, then you give the organic vaccine. You can see these ones are not eating and they are not drinking. So they will still come back and rush. They are the type that doesn't like rushing. So you have to monitor those ones. Make sure that they later drink it. Because if they don't drink it, those ones will die after some time. Because if any infection comes, it will catch them. So that's why it's always necessary for you to monitor them during vaccination. Make sure that all of them are drinking it. This is purely organic vaccination. You can see it's not synthetic. It is made up of herbs and extracts. And remember the day we prepared the vaccine was not the same day we gave it. It was allowed to ferment for some days, up to 4 to 5 days before you now give it out to them. The fermentation process helps to add other chemical and phytochemical nutrients to the organic vaccine to help to boost the immunity and activate the beneficial microbes that will fight against the harmful microorganisms that causes infections in poultry. You can see that the rush is subsidizing now. They are not rushing like before. Once they drink it, up to even if 5 to 10 sips is okay to protect them. Remember, it's not only 1 day. This is the first day. Still join us on the second day. Second day vaccination extracts are different herbs. You can see this is day 2. Day 2 is not yet. You can see the color of the day 2 is different because it is made up of different herbs, different extracts. This is day 2. Day 2 will be tomorrow. This is day 1. This one has after drinking, they will come back and still continue drinking. Just serve them food. It doesn't have any waste. You don't need to throw away anything. It doesn't have time limit. Only make sure they are starved of water so that they can rush it. After rushing it, they will still come back and drink it. Make sure they finish drinking it. Don't throw anything away, please. Don't pour anything away like the synthetic type. After some hours, you need to pour them away and wash your can. This one, don't need to pour anything away because this is purely organic. Some of them have gone to eat now. The vaccine is our own. We made the vaccine. The food they are eating is our own food also. It's our own food, you can see. It's our own food also. We don't use commercial feed here. We don't use commercial medications. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Share it to your links, share it to your groups, and make sure you join our channel community membership so that you'll be a beneficial member of this particular channel and help us to grow the channel while we help you to grow your business. Thank you for watching till day 2. Join us in day 2 also. Day 2 is still loading. You can see day 2 vaccine still loading. And day 3 and day 4. Remember, we have day 2, day 3, and day 4. This is 4 days organic vaccination protocols. Thank you for watching. Share the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel till the next video is uploaded. Bye for now.